This vitamin product is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency due to poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are important building blocks of the body and help keep you in good health. It provides essential nutrients for the growth and development of children, and it is recommended to be taken once daily. The best time to take this is with a meal to help with absorption. Make sure to chew the child little animal's vitamins thoroughly and swallow, usually once a day or as directed. Follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. Do not exceed the recommended dosage. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Taking this medication regularly will help you get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. Some common side effects of child little animals vitamins may include constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the vitamins. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this medication can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Remember, in the US you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. If the multivitamin your child is taking contains iron, it's crucial to keep it away from their reach. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a common cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6 years old. If an overdose does happen, seek medical help immediately or contact a poison control center. Before giving child little animals vitamins to your child, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if your child is allergic to any of its ingredients, or if they have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your child's medical history, especially if your child has a history of alcohol use/abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal problems such as ulcers or colitis. If the multivitamin contains folic acid, let your doctor or pharmacist know if your child has a vitamin B12 deficiency, pernicious anemia, before giving it to them. Folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating the anemia, which could lead to serious nerve problems. It's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Child little animals vitamins may contain aspartame, so if your child has phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires them to restrict their intake of aspartame, it's important to discuss this with your doctor or pharmacist before giving them the medication. Before your child undergoes surgery, make sure to inform the doctor or dentist about all the products your child is using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If your child is pregnant, it's important to inform the doctor before using this medication. Additionally, if your child is breastfeeding, it's important to consult the doctor before using this medication. It's important to be aware of any potential interactions with other medications you may be taking. For example, if your multivitamin contains iron, you should avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. It's best to talk to your doctor or pharmacist to find a dosing schedule that works with all your medications. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, so make sure your healthcare providers are aware that you are taking it. If someone takes too much child little animals vitamins and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, they should call 911 immediately. Otherwise, they should contact their local poison control center. In the US, residents can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Be sure to keep up with all your doctor's appointments and any recommended lab tests. It's important to note that these vitamins are not a replacement for a healthy diet. It's always best to get your vitamins and nutrients from a well-balanced diet. Make sure to follow any dietary recommendations given to you by your doctor. If you forget to take Child Little Animals vitamins at the scheduled time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Child Little Animals vitamins at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important not to store them in the bathroom and to keep them out of reach of children and pets. Remember not to flush the vitamins down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. It's a good idea to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.